Someone once said that the total number of stars in the universe is greater than all of the grains of sand on all of the Earth's beaches. Something to think about.
But not now! Now it's time for the Halverson and Area Sandblast Extravaganza!
Finally a break from my superhero duty for some fun in the sun.
No one deserves a vacation more. So, wanna bury me in the sand?
Oh, no time now. I'm entering...
I'm all right! Poor Owen only. Looks like his overprotective mom greased him up with too much sunscreen again.
Anyway, as I was saying, I'm entering the Halverson and Area Sandblast Extravaganza Sand Sculpture Contest.
Don't tell me you're competing.
Wendell.
With you as my competition, I'm gonna win for sure. I've been planning this design since last summer. You, cousin, don't stand a chance.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Huh? Okay, Elizabeth, which one's better?
Well, Milo, yours definitely has a more pleasing square shape to it.
That's ridiculous. Mine is clearly an eighth of an inch taller. And check out the custom features.
Uh-oh! Flamingo! A kid! In trouble! They're picking at my tender buds!
Don't worry, Owen only. My Uncle Microphone ought to take care of this.
Fellow waterfowl! Waterfowl! Please leave Owen only alone and search for garbage elsewhere! Thank you!
See how easy that was? We just needed to talk bird to bird.
Oh! Hey, what's that bird's problem? I should take him out, no? Ah!
Why should you have all the fun?
They seem to be circling back around, Captain.
Hey, those seagulls pooped on me.
Moist towel.
Ah! Red alert! Red alert!
This is so damsel in distressy.
You two, stay here. I have a feeling those are no ordinary seagulls. No fair! They're wrecking my castle! Reasoning with them isn't working. I have to lure them away. But how?
Captain, seagulls love fish.
Aha! I'll just lure the seagulls away with this Crouching Dragon brand wind-up plastic sushi!
You distracted the seagulls.
Whoa! Plastic sushi? As if...
Yeah, this fish ain't fresh. Let's send it back.
Oh no! The castle's under attack!
Quick, Lisbeth! Oh, and only sunscreen! We defeated the sushi! Yay! Huh? Oh, yeah. The seagulls. Time to take this fight to the air! Alien Annihilator brand remote-controlled flying saucer! This'll scare them off!
Yay, Captain! You scared of them? Oh no! They've got the remote!
Who taught you how to fly?
The Fulminator 3000 brand foam ball launcher! Wah! Adios, Annihilator!
Roger, got it.
Captain! You defeated the UFO! Yay!
Oh, yeah. The seagulls.
And now there are more of them! Uh-oh.
Oh, is right! I'm out of novelty items!
Oh no! Has Captain Flamingo run out of tricks? And how much poop can a seagull make in 2.5 minutes? Well, we'll soon find out.
My castle can't take much more damage!
Did I hear someone say damage? And yet, look at my castle. Not even a scratch. No!
Hold on. We can set up a net over the castle to protect it and Owen only.
Huh?
Over there! The volleyball net!
My bird brain wants me to play beach volleyball.
No, that's not.
Hey, the little pink guy wants to serve.
Oh no! Owen only's inside!
Huh?
Oops! Huh? Whoa! Oh!
Captain, how do you do it? You got rid of the seagulls and saved the day again.
Yeah, but my castle! I'll never win now!
This just may be the best one we've seen ever.
Come in and see the jacuzzi.
The highlight had to be the billiards room.
Well, I think we've made our decision. The winner is... I say, hold on now. What is that?
Oh, that's just Owen only.
A one and only handmade lifelike human sand sculpture? Animatronics. Well, I don't think there's any question about it. How could we ever decide any other way? No, of course. First prize will now go to... That was just a kid covered in sand.
We tried to tell you.
As I was saying, first prize goes to this young man here.
Mwah! What a day. Not only did I lose the contest, but I got most of the grains of sand of the Earth's beaches up my tights.
Still, you wrecked your castle to save Owen only. That's so heroic.
While Captain Flamingo may not have won the contest, isn't being a beloved superhero enough?
I'm a contest winner. Huh?
Yes, being a beloved superhero is enough. That is to say, as long as your annoying cousin's covered in seagull poop. Captain Flamingo! Looking out for kids in a big way. Captain Flamingo supports wildlife everywhere.